Hello, my name is Donna Ostrom and I love Halloween, do you? That's why I've decided to write a Halloween story. It's called One Little Skeleton, Two Black Cats, and I'm going to read it to you today. One little skeleton is rattling in the night. He trips over a pumpkin and gives it a big fright. Two black cats slip out to have some fun. They scare the poor skeleton, who then begins to run. Three gory goblins are giggling with glee. They juggle with their eyeballs, but oops, now they cannot see. Four howling werewolves sing songs to the full moon. Ouch! They really hurt my ears. I hope they stop singing soon. Five wicked witches on brooms begin to fly. Listen to their cackles as they zoom across the sky. Six ghoulish ghosties share a picnic in the park until the littlest ghostie cries, "But I'm afraid of the dark." Seven silly zombies are playing hide and seek. Shall we try to find them and scare them with a shriek? Eight mumbling mummies moan and stomp around. They slip in muddy puddles and fall to the ground. Nine fat pumpkins are lined up in a row. See their scary faces, all spooky and aglow. 10 little children in costumes eerie and bright shout trick or treat to all they meet as they squeal with delight. And all the spooky creatures, each one ghastly and gory, say Happy Halloween to you and hope you like their story. And I hoped you liked the story too. Happy Halloween!